This is one of the best roads in the Philippines, this one.
Best road? This one?
Yeah.
Yun, sa bypass road tayo. Iwas sa traffic, no? Sa Malainin.
But you see, people need concrete.
So, yeah, this one is shortcut din yan. Papunta ng
to
Maragondon.
Maragondon.
Yeah. You passed there before, di ba?
Yeah, when I came from...
It's night.
when I came from Monkey Woman.
Yeah. Because Google
Google said to me, this is a shortcut.
okay. So, shortcut to, papunta ng Indang. Kasi sobrang traffic kanina sa San Roque. Dito kami dumaan. Bam.
No. On our concrete roads that we have for going home, they cannot steal the concrete.
Yeah, of course. They
You know why?
Why?
Assos is guarding it. Didn't you see them in the middle of the road? They always sleeping there. So if you want to steal the concrete, like they do that, they bite you.
They will bite you. Probably.
They
Okay.
don't like it. They say, oh man, this is very wrong. And they,
Oh, I thought this pickup is a Korean. I've seen this pickup in the company.
yeah.
Yeah, there is a Korean words in that box, toolbox. It's a big toolbox.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's it. A big it's a Korean. Yeah. And this is the friend of the Koreans there. This one. I think she had property here also. Oh, this is it. But I don't know if she could remember me. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, Korean.
Yeah, it's a Korean word. So I saw this car in the company.
Okay.
Open time every Monday, Saturday. Oh. It's a Korean. No, not a Filipino driver. But it's a Korean owned car. Yeah. I think she had a farm here.
Possible.
Yeah, possible. So ito yung may pabahay dito eh. Yan oh. Pabahay dyan. Yeah, from Manila. Okay, so maganda dito wala traffic. Pagka alam nyo to, pagka nasa...
no traffic here.
No traffic, yeah.
The problem is...
The road sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a dog. Oh, Look. He's running like a rat.
There is...
So,
There's gonna be a place where they also stole the concrete and I almost lost my wheels there last time.
okay.
If you go too fast, suddenly no more concrete. A little place. Very big petals. So,
Big pedals. Yeah.
if I know exactly where it is, then you can go.
Bam.
But now, here, I think it starts here somewhere.
Pangilinan
It
Farm.
surprised me really.
Yung farm maganda.
Maybe we passed it already.
Yeah. So ano to dito? Puro farm to eh. Ito parte na ng ano to. Hindi, Naik pa rin to, Malainin. Ngayon, pagka nasa Naik kayo at sobrang traffic doon, papunta kayo ng Indang, hanapin nyo lang to. Indang Naik Road via Malainin. Nasa Google na yata to eh. Ituturo kayo ni Google dito. Kaya lang, pag gabi dito, sobrang madilim. Oh, there's a gasoline station. So,
Yeah, nobody passed. I think if you
wala
open,
traffic dito.
I think if you open here a sari store,
No one will buy you in your sari-sari store. Yeah.
you save yourself to reach nobody come.
Nobody come and nobody will buy you. Ito, pinaka-bypass talaga to. Pero 5 years from now, mapupuno na rin ang kabahayan to kasi naumpisahan na eh.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna stay like this.
Yeah. 5 years from now, it will be traffic also here na. So, ganda dito kasi maluwag pa to eh. Kailangan yan. Puro parking. Oh, yeah. Kabilaan din. The road was,
concrete is here.
it's on pavement. So, yeah.
They steal the concrete because they want to concrete the way of light.
Maybe oh, okay.
I need to go for service. My car do crazy when I... No, He's oh man, he's
Oh,
doing
tumba
crazy.
yung puno.
He's doing crazy. Look here.
Look. Okay. You know what is the cause of that? Those trucks.
Yeah, but
Those big trucks.
oh yeah,
Yeah. Probably.
indeed. And as soon as they start building, let's say 2 more subdivisions,
Hmm.
the whole road gonna be broken.
It's gonna be gone and then they put new again.
Maybe. But when they start and when they start building many trucks after all of this road, they're gonna ruin it completely.
A lot of trucks.
But it's very
pass here.
cheap, eh?
Yeah,
Only
yeah.
3 million for what, 200 meters.
Yeah, 30 million. Yeah.
Yeah, have you seen it there? 3 million.
3 million.
That's a crazy price.
And then you have a lot, farm lot. May mga bahay na naman dito eh. May mga ano dito kasi barangay din to eh.
The people who are repairing that road, they've been paid maybe 300 pesos a day or something.
300 peso a day, maybe. Oh, there is a construction here, maybe. Another subdivision also.
Maybe just a bahay.
Ah, okay, bahay also. Yeah. I think it's again, another.
Another farm.
Kabilaan to eh. Ito, may mga bahay na dito yan. Mansion, oh, ganda oh. Big house. Oh, yeah.
Those 2 excavators go dig the foundations for a subdivision. Then in 20 years you can come back
Ganda.
and start building.
Oh. Ang ganda oh. Wow. So ang kasunod nito is Barangay Banaba. Banaba Serca, Banabaleos. Sa unahan nito. Nakadaan na ako dito gabi, kasi sobrang nakakatakot dito pag gabi. Kasi sobrang madilim. Yan, ganda ng bahay oh. Oh, it's a elementary school. Yeah. Banaba, Lehos. We are in Indang. We are in Indang already. On that side, Kalumpang Lehos.
We have no shortcut.
No shortcut. Because there is a river there. You know.
Why? Why do they put a river there?
I don't know.
If they put a river there, then
Uy. That's not a question. It's a nature.
then you must tell to nature that's not allowed to go river there. You must go there.
How could we tell to the nature?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam. I don't know. No, you know the Tagalog of I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7.
7,
Yeah, 7.
pitong.
7, not 7. 7.
8,
8, not 8. 8. Oh, may 8. 8. Next. Siyam.
and shampoo.
10.
Shampoo.
Oh, 10. Okay.
Shampoo. Yes.
Shampoo.
If you go legal, you say
Shampoo.
shampoo. Very easy.
Very easy. If you go ligo, you make shampoo. Shampoo. Okay. You must count it 1 to 20 in Filipino.
Pupunta sa bahay.
Papunta sa bahay. Teach you some. Okay. Dito bahayan na to dito. Medyo ano na dito. Pero sakop na siya ng Indang. Pero malayo pa tayo sa main road. Talagang traffic lang doon sa kabila. Sa Naik Indang via San Roque. San Roque and Palangge. Yan. San Roque before the intersection of Naik. Yeah.
Almost never traffic there.
No. Never move. Never go. Always stop.
Oh.
Because of the Big wheels, e-bikes.
the big
E-bikes.
trucks,
No, the e-bikes.
Electric trucks, man.
Yeah, electric trucks.
I think it's a truck, but a slow one. Huh?
Yeah, the slow one. Yan na. Banabalehos. Alright. I'll go get Banaba.
Ba.
Okay. I have my thumbnail.
The thumbnail.
Yeah.
Better than a nail in your thumb.
So meron na rin ditong mga ito. I think this is a subdivision area.
Yeah, they build here something.
So I think it's like
lahat
private.
ng bagay ang
Lahat ng bagay ay nakapagsisikapan. Abot kamay mo na ang iyong pangarap. You're almost in your dreams. Okay. Dream house.
dream house.
That is their motto.
Their motto.
Their motto, ha?
And then they build you something.
They
and
build
when
you something
wake
crap
up-
but it's
and
very
when you
expensive.
and when you wake up, say, what a nightmare.
What a nightmare,
Dream
ha?
house.
They build you.
We build your dream house and we give you a nightmare. When you say when they name the price. Oh man.
The boyfriend is Pujiko. The boyfriend of Pujiko is from here. From this barangay.
This barangay.
Yeah.
Cerca.
No, Serka.
Cerca.
This Buna Serka na already.
No, not Buna Cerca.
Banaba Serka.
Oh, Banaba Cerca.
Banaba Cerca.
Buna Cerca is a
Yeah, in the Obet.
Obed.
Place. I don't know where's the house is because Pujiko didn't want me to know where is that. But I asked her, you must tell me where's that house, huh? Because one day I will go get you there. Because you're afraid to tell that you are in your boyfriend's house, and don't do that often again, huh? You must tell to me. Maybe Pujiko said, "Oh, my father is very strict."
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm not. I'm just protecting
Yeah.
because they are in school.
Because you know yourself, you fuck everything you can.
No, no.
Yes.
No, sometimes, yeah, but sometimes, but now, no, I will not. Yeah, I cannot do anything because I have a pain in my ass. Yeah. Maybe after, maybe after I healed my ass. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that.
Woohoo! Oh my goodness. I do vlog, my friend, you know.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Yeah, I get video, so yeah, but that's okay. You know. We're telling lies always.
No. I may not from my God.
Okay.
He say you shall not lie.
No.
And I'm believing, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Every day I go to church.
You every day go to church, but you're not praying, huh? You're just only waffling inside the church.
I go beat against the church. And
Oh, okay.
God damn it. I need a big hole to pee, I guess.
Oh.
That's right.
Ah.
I didn't say I go pray.
Oops. Oh. Nice one.
I was there first.
Nice one.
Little mistake, you see. He's not stopping for me. Come on. Express pay.
Yeah, express pay.
Yeah.
I think there
Yeah,
is.
if you go there, you must have your money ready. When they say 50% and it's gone.
Okay.
But
That's
if they have to give you back, then you must come back the next year.
that's what it's called express pay.
Yeah.
Okay. So meron ditong kainan eh. There is a good restaurant here. I think this the place. No. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh no. It's a
Banana
church.
Circle,
No. It's a church. Yeah.
They, you know, in England, near the church, they got a place called,
I played this. I
There's a
played
place-
here before.
there's a place called the church in England, in Centre proper.
Yeah.
There's a place called Minute Burger.
Meat burger.
Yeah? When you go buy a burger over there, it takes 2 hours. But it's a
hours?
minute burger, yeah.
Minute burger. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
The name also minute burger, but if you go there, you take 2 hours
Yeah.
just to wait for that minute burger.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's.
You want minute burger? Okay. You need to wait 2 hours.
I was wrong. I thought they serve you your hamburger within a minute or something. It's 2 hours. No, it's only in the name. So, okay.
It's not minute burger. 2-hour burgers.
Yeah, actually, yeah. But that doesn't sound 2 hour. But,
Oh, there's a burial parade, maybe.
Oh, burial.
Oh, burial parade. Oh, okay, okay. But not okay. It's a free, so you can go. Oh, I think this is the... Oh, no more. Oh, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, why were not too many people? Oh, why? Oh,
So they are already training for
Yeah.
Sunday, to make,
okay. So, nandito na tayo. Okay.
I'm just thinking, could be,
So, yeah, Alfonso. Okay. Alfonso Kapili. Ano ito?
maybe the guy,
Paindang na tayo.
maybe the guy is still not dead already. Said, let's train already. So
Yeah.
when it really happens, then but everybody knows what they need to do. Maybe.
So, pupunta muna kami sa bahay kasi bumili kami ng McDo. Dadalang ko yung mga bata. Ang aray ko, yung puwit ko, bumuka. Oh, shit. We must go here na?
Yeah,
Okay. So, kagalingan ni Mark. Alam niya na yung mga bypass dito, yung mga shortcuts. Go. Alam niya na yung mga shortcut dito. Okay. You must go drop to Dali later and then buy some coke. And also your beer.
later, I want to go as soon as possible home because the lunch break is already over. And what are they making now?
Oh, yeah.
Actually, Romeo knows what to do, but then you got still 2 other guys,
Yeah.
especially the tallest one. Sometimes he got fantastic ideas, but they never work.
Never work. Yun, okay. So, nasa Indang na tayo ngayon. So, oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Mark.
Thank you po.
Sige na. Uwi ka ng maaga, ha? Ikaw, puro kagala.
Nag-practice kami.
Sige na, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Yung pera, ate kayo ni Puji ko dyan, ha? Bumili ka na lang ng coke.